Hello traders, in this tutorial I will discuss market sessions which are relevant to traders and not to investors or long-term holders. I would like to remind you that there's a link to my Telegram channel in the description box. Most of my tutorials are exclusively available to my subscribers because I consider them a gift to my subscribers alone. Therefore, if you are a subscriber, please feel free to join. It's free and without any obligation. As always, I want to emphasize that my role is to create informative content and explain the subject to the best of my ability. Your role is to ask questions and not take anything I say for granted. Quick geography reminder: because of the Earth's rotation, half of the planet faces the sun at any given moment and therefore experiences daytime. In contrast, the other half faces away from the sun and experiences nighttime. For this reason, when it's daylight in North America, it's night in Asia. Now, cryptocurrencies are traded 24/7. However, most of the trading activity is focused on the daytime hours in each continent. Hence, the three trading sessions: New York, Tokyo, and London. You should also know that large institutions and day traders focus their activity on the daytime wherever they are. The session hours in Greenwich Mean Time are New York from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m., Tokyo from midnight to 9 a.m., and London from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. There is an overlap between London and New York and London and Asia. The end of the Asian session overlaps with the beginning of London, and the end of the London session overlaps with the start of the New York sessions. There is an indicator, a trading view indicator. It's called Market Sessions by Leviathan. I recommend that you download this indicator. It's free, and switch your charts to the 1 hour time frame, and you will see here, you see London and the overlap with New York, Tokyo, and the overlap with London. The relationship between sessions. Because cryptocurrencies are traded 24 hours a day, some relationship is established between the sessions. This relationship is commonly referred to as Asia pumps, London holds, New York dumps, or the reverse: New York pumps, London holds, and Asia dumps. Is it true? There are a lot of common wisdom phrases in trading that, while true, are only accurate some of the time, such as cut your losses quickly and let your winners ride, long support and short resistance, buy fear and sell greed. All these sayings are accurate, but you will get wrecked if you apply them without discernment. They are true to some extent, not all the time. Does it matter? Does the sessions matter? The division of sessions is relevant to day traders. Day traders will mostly be careful of carrying trades overnight for fear that the upcoming session will reverse the micro trends and turn their winner into losers. Swing traders are less sensitive to sessions, but it's a good practice not to open new position in between sessions. This is especially valid if a new session is about to begin, meaning just before the beginning of the Asian session or just before the beginning or the end of the New York session. Like everything else in trading, it is primarily a good practice, not always. In conclusion, I would like to say that if you are watching this tutorial and you are at the beginning of your trading journey, your best advice, at least in my opinion, and it's just my opinion, is to disregard sessions and do not day trade. Don't try to trade the micro trend. Focus on the higher time frames, on the daily time frame, and trade the long-term trend, excuse me. Also, try to avoid leverage trading because leverage trading is only good if you are a good trader. If you are not a good trader, it will just get you wrecked quickly and you will blow up your account. That's all I have for you on market sessions. I hope it helps and I will see you in the next video.